version of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this SONY. Firstly, just go into settings and scroll down right away. Now you need to choose security, tap on screen lock and tap on one of those login methods to set up the best one for you, pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to tap on it and then enter my login method. When you're ready, tap on next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm. Following that, you need to answer this question by clicking on one of those answers. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and then tap on done at the bottom right corner. So now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!